I'm Gaynor Hartnell, and I'm the Chief Executive of the Renewable Energy Association. And the Renewable Energy Association is a trade association of companies that are involved in renewable energy. And I mean that in its broadest sense, because we cover all of the different renewable energy technologies, and we also cover electricity generation, renewable heat production, renewable transport fuels, and also cleaning up gas from anaerobic digestion, biogas, and putting that into the grid. So that's green gas, renewable gas. So we cover all four of those things and all the technologies associated with it. We've realised that we can't continue to use fossil fuels to the extent we have to date because of global climate change. We also realise that it's good to be actually more energy self-sufficient. So from the point of view of energy security, we don't want to be relying on other people's or other countries exporting us their energy. We want to have some that we can always rely on, we know is always going to be blowing over our landscape, or in terms of tides flowing around our shores, or in terms of biomass, material that we grow in this country or waste that we create. All of that can be harnessed for energy, and it helps us be more self-sufficient, which helps make sure that going forward we've got a more energy secure economy to base our future survival on. We have a renewable energy directive target to meet in the UK, and at the moment we are making progress on renewable electricity, but we haven't really started on renewable heat. So we need to see more industrial processes fired by biomass, and by that I mean wood or other plant or animal derived material, and we need to have more solar panels on our roofs to provide our hot water, and we can pump heat out of the ground, which is a very much more efficient way of heating our houses than using electricity directly. It's particularly effective if we're not on the gas grid. One thing's for sure about renewable energy: you need more installations to get the same amount of energy than you do with the big things that we're used to, like big coal-fired power stations or nuclear power stations. So we're going to see it more widespread through the community. Land use is obviously a key area. Land use which manifests itself in the planning process. I think we need to become more efficient about how we go about making planning decisions, because at the moment the process takes a very long time. So that I would see as something where we need to actually have a lot of leadership that's been somewhat lacking so far.